Hey everyone, my name is Paul Dietrich and welcome to Dietrich Education, where I talk about everything EdTech, and today we're going to be exploring some practice problems built right into the Google search. So let's check it out. Most of us actually use the Google search engine every day. This is our bread and butter, right? So I mean, if I'm looking up something, I type in dog, for example, I'll find these results. Now, keep an eye on the left-hand side here, and it's empty, but keep that in mind. I'm mentioning that on purpose here. But as an educator, let's say if I wanted to give my students a practice set of questions. So, for example, let's say I want some square roots worksheets. So I click on that, and I have some images here that I can see. I have some links, but if you notice now, there's actually a little bit of a new side menu on the side. I can click on Overview. Gives me a little bit of an overview of square roots. Here are some calculators specifically for square roots. Here are some examples for square roots. And there's practice problems, videos, and worksheets, but the one that I want to mention is practice problems. I can click on this, and I actually have some practice right in Google. There are different sources from the top, and I can click on each, and they all kind of give me some different types of questions to ask. The little dots on the bottom represent how many questions that they're asking, and it's an awesome source. So for example, let me type in order of operations practice. I'll have some built-in practice problems right here. I can type in linear equations practice. And here's some more built in. And I can click on, okay, here's like one from Kahoot. And here's some other sources. And what I can do is literally I can, click on a few of these, and it'll tell you, oh, like here, yes, it's correct. And if you get them correct, then this little green ball lights up, right? Click on next. And I'm just gonna click on a few of these here. You'll see like, oh, you kind of get them wrong. But I just wanna show you, I'm just gonna randomly click through here, show you what happens at the very, very end. And now that you're at the very, very end, it says all done. Practice more with BYJUs or check out the next set of problems. And so at the very, very bottom, although it does not give you some results that you can kind of keep, and as a teacher, it'd be nice to have that little correction set of what's right and what's wrong. This is just some extra informal practice, right? And you can click on next, and then like a brand new set pops up. But that's pretty neat because you can also look into physics practice questions. And we get a little bit of physics practice questions. We can look into maybe organic chemistry practice questions or practice problems. And we have some examples here as well. So here are your built-in Google practice problems.